Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update the B450 Tomahawk Max BIOS to a supported version and set a supervisor password so secure boot options appear. Once done, enter UEFI via delete during post, then switch storage mode to OSI if your OS requires it, and save changes. Make sure secure boot keys can be enrolled by disabling legacy CSM temporarily. This enables UEFI-only options. You're now prepared to access the secure boot menu and enroll keys in the next steps. Once in the UEFI settings, disable CSM to expose secure boot controls. This is mandatory because secure boot enforces UEFI mode. Next, select the correct OS type. Choose Windows UEFI for Windows installs or other OS for custom kernels, because the firmware applies different validation rules. Then navigate to Secure Boot Key Management. Enroll the factory default keys to start, or import your platform key, key exchange key, signature database, and blacklist if you manage custom signing. After enrolling keys, save. Now finalize by saving all UEFI changes and rebooting. Your system should boot with Secure Boot active and no signature errors. If the OS refuses to start, don't panic. Re-enter BIOS, re-enable CSM to regain access, and undo the last change to recover. Once recovered, clear Secure Boot keys and re-enroll the factory defaults if you suspect a bad key import. This resets the validation chain. Make sure your bootloader and kernel are signed or configured to work with Secure Boot before leaving changes permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.